Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about very basic thing for the beginner. So this video is useful for the beginner. So first we are going to understand how to change the background color. So how to change the background color? Go to option. First this is called GUI. Click on this one. Click on this one. Give user ID and password. So this color right now it is coming red. How to change this color? So go to here, option, go to visual design, go to color, and you can choose what color you want. So this color, or in this color, or in this color. So you can choose the color. Okay. Then apply and OK. To see the effect, you have to log in, log off, again login. So you can see the changes has been done. So from red color it comes to this color. So this is the first how to change the color. Go to option, go to visual design, go to color, under the color setting go to color and choose based on your requirement. Second is how to turn off the sound. So whenever I am entering anything, you might be hearing some sound it is coming. Let's say, yeah, so some sound coming. Okay, how to turn off the sound? So go to here, option, go to here, see, whenever I'm clicking, see sound come. Yeah, so come to here, sound, and deactivate this one, apply and OK. Now sound will not come. Okay, this is the second. So go to option, go to interaction, sound, and deactivate this one. Now third technique is display the transaction code in SAP menu. So for example, whenever you are opening any transaction code, so here only description coming. You want to also know what is the T code for this description. So for that you have to go to extras, go to setting and go to display technical name. Now check, come here. See, now T code also coming front. So this was the another technique. See, extras, setting, tick the display technical. Then how to create the favorite? Okay, so create the favorite, go to favorite. If you want to create the folder, then go to insert folder. For example, you want to create your own list of the T codes you want to save here under the favorite. So go to extras, go to favorite, insert folder. You can write your favorite folder name like my T codes favorite or something, my favorites. Okay, sorry the spelling is wrong. So you can, this is what the favorite. Let me delete this one to avoid the confusion. So delete. So this is the format. If you want to change the folder name, just right click, then go to change favorites and you can write. Okay, so this is the one how to create the folder. Then after creating the folder, you want to list all your T code which you want to put under this one. So for example, in my daily life, I want to use FB50. So I can right click and then come to here, insert transaction, give here FB50. So FB50 will come down here. Similarly, if you want FB60, again right click on this my favorites and right click, then insert, then FB60. You can see under favorite these T codes are available here. Let's see what else. Okay, change, you can do the change. Now fifth technique is display the current system and T code. So for example, you open one T code, let's say FB50. This is the T code you have opened, and you want to see what is the T code. So you can click here. Let me scroll this side. So you can click here and you can see what is the T code you want to. So this is the system you have logged in and this is the T code. So if you want to show here system, then double click on this one, then your system will appear here. If you want to show here T code, then double click on transaction, so your transaction will show here. So this is the another technique. Similarly, change the date format. So for example, right now 18/04/2023. So you can see that right now you are dd, then dot that dot, then yy you are using. If you want any other format, then you can change it. Go to here, my user profile, user data. Okay, sorry. Come here, default, and you can change the format, whatever format you want. For example, you want right now you have dd dot dot yy you have selected. If you want yy, so in this way also you can use it. Just select it and save it. Okay, now go to F50, enter. So to see the impact, you have to log in, log off. You have to do login, go to W50. See, now it is coming in this format. Okay, so you can enter, you have to enter in this format now. So mm/dt/yy. Okay, this is another technique. The last technique is how to, if you are in one screen, if you want to open another screen with another T code, then you can do the /n, then you can type the T code and it will open another screen. Okay, so this is FB60 screen got open. So these are the 7 technique for the very freshers to learn. Thank you so much.